Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 13, 3. Illustration number 3 of cost bookkeeping of CMA in term cost accounting. Please read the questions here. This is easy questions. Look at it. Illustration number 3. An advertising agency has received an inquiry for which you are supposed to submit the quotations. Bill of the material prepared by the productions department for the job states the following requirements of the material. Paper 10 reams paper at the rate of 1800 per reams. Ink and other printing, that is a 5000. Binding materials and other consumables, this is a 3000. Some photography is required for the job. The agency does not have the photographer and employees. It decided to hire the one and paying rupees 10,000. This is a photographer. An estimated job card prepared by the production department specifies that the service of following employees in this: artist rupees 12,000 per month, 80,000 for this job; rupees 10,000 per month, 7,500 for this job; client services 9,000 per month. This is a 30 hours. It means in this is the per month, and this is the time given by the worker for this job. Now we need to calculate how many hours, the total number of hours in 1 month. For this information is given, the agency works 25 days in a month at the rate of 6 hours. The agency works 25 days in a month. 25 days in a month for 6 hours. On the basis of this, we can calculate what is the cost for these jobs for artists, copyright and clients. Okay, now the information is given. The primary packing material of this is 4,000. Production overhead 40% of the direct cost. Production overhead is calculated on the basis of direct cost. Similarly, selling and distribution over 25% of the production cost is given. Okay, first we need to calculate total hours in a month. Working note first. Calculation of total hours in month. 25 days at the rate of 6 hours. 150 hours. Working note. Second, calculation of cost of artist, copywriter, and client services for this job. Artist, copywriter, client services. Besides, what are the monthly salary? 12,000, 10,000, 9,000. Rupees 12,000, rupees 10,000, rupees 9,000 a month. What is the cost for per hour? 150 hours, 150 hours, 150 hours. And these workers has given time given for this job. This job is given, this information is given: 80 hours, 75 hours, 30 hours. 80 hours, 75 hours, this is a 30 hours. This given 6400 rupees 5000 rupees 1800. Okay, now we can calculate quotation for the printing job. Calculation of quotation for a printing job. Quotation for a printing job. Particular. Excuse me. Look at it. Direct raw material required. Direct raw material required 10 ream paper per ream rupees 1800. 10 reams at the rate of rupees 1800. This is 18,000. Ink and other printing material. Other printing material. Look at it. Ink and other printing material 5,000. Binding material and other, this is a 3,000. Packing, this is the 4,000. This is the 5,000. Binding material and consumable. Binding material and consumable, that is 3,000. Primary packing material, material 4,000. Total cost is 30,000. Total cost is 30,000. Now direct labor spent. Labor spent. In this case, we have already calculated here these. Artist 6,400, copywriter 5,000, client 1,800. Artist, copy writer, client, services, and one photographer has hired from outside, and that photographer is paid rupees 10,000. Okay, photographer, photographers. Look at it. These informations are given here. 6,400. This is 5,000. 1,800. This is 32,200. and this is photographer is 10,000. Now prime cost. Prime cost is 53,000, 53,200, 53,200. Add factory overhead. Overhead at the rate of 40% of direct cost. Direct cost. This is 21,280. 40% of direct cost, that is 40% of 53,200. This is production cost. Production cost 74,480. Now selling and distribution overhead. Distribution overhead. This is 25% of production cost. This is 18,620. Total cost we have 93,100. This is your total cost. Now sales is already given 20% profit. Now profit information is given here. Look at 20% of the quotation price. 20% of the quotation price. If profit is 20% of the quotation price, then 25% of cost. Profit 20% of sale price, that is 25% of total cost. Total cost 25% of total cost. 23275. 23275. Now we can calculate sales cost. Sale cost 11 sales revenue. So how we calculate sales revenue? Sales revenue. Total cost 93,100. Profit 25% of cost. 25% of cost, that is 23,275. That is price to be quoted. Quoted 6,375. Price to be quoted rupees 116,375. Okay, thank you class.